Suppose that a researcher is testing the hypothesis H naught, which is P is equal to 0.6 versus H1, the alternate hypothesis that P is less than 0.6. She finds that the p-value to be 0.525. So she did all her work and she found that p-value is 0.25. Now what is p-value basically? P-value, first of all, let's see what we have here. It's in the left-tailed, right? So that means our graph, when we do our work, the graph has to be left-tailed somewhere here, right? This is the extreme. Where what is p-value? P-value is the probability of the values lying in the extreme area when the null hypothesis is supposed to be true, right? Extreme or more extreme. That is what our option is. So let's see, if p-value is for a particular test statistic is 0.25, she expects the result no more extreme than the test statistics is about 25 of 100 samples. So we are saying the probability of the thing coming in the extreme area or more than extreme is 0.25. So out of 100, that means 25 samples. Yes. So when the null hypothesis is true, no more than extreme, that is not true. We are saying it goes more into extreme area, so not first option. If p-value is this, she expects a result at least as extreme. So extreme or more extreme as the test statistic is 25 of samples, 100 samples, if the null hypothesis is true. This seems like the correct option. So let's read the next one too in any ways. If p-value is this, she expects result at least as extreme as the test statistics is about 25 of 100. So what is the difference between B and C? We never say exactly in statistics, right? So that was the wrong in B. Now we are saying about 25 of 100 samples. So this is the no, you see how B and C, they look exactly same. We do want to be either in extreme or more extreme, right? So that part is correct, but we cannot say in statistics exactly. We always say about 25 of 100 samples when the null hypothesis is true. If the p-value for a particular test statistic is this, she expects result no more than extreme than test statistics exactly. So again, this is wrong. So let's check our answer. I want you to, okay, let's check the answer first. That is true. I want you to read this definition. It gives you clarity. A p-value is the probability of observing a sample statistic as extreme or more extreme. Now, what does extreme means in this case? Extreme means to be in the tail, right? So if you are a left tail test, it should be in the left tail. If it is the right tail test, it should be in the right tail. Or if it is two tail test, then the two of those are the extreme. Two tails are the extremes. So based on that conversation on the definition, at least when you see the at least extreme as extreme word, that's important. And the probability is always in the chances, right? We are never exact. So it has to be about 25 out of 100 samples. So that is the correct option. So let's hope that helps you. Thank you.